Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this presentation, we are going to see how you should have applied our simple day trading strategy on Friday's market to gain success in day trading. You can see this long blue color candlestick that indicates Friday's market price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere around 6745. Just the opening was above our green moving average line. As a continuous follower of our presentation and as a client, you know that in order to follow this simple strategy, you need to follow some simple rules. And the most important rule is that whenever the price is staying above the moving average, you should always stay in buying. Now the price had opened above the moving average, and whenever the price opens with a gap, we had made it very clear how you should enter the market. Whenever the price opens with a gap, wait for the candlestick to touch this first white line. Whenever the price touches the first this white color line, the color of the candlestick should be in blue color. If it is in blue color, then you can take the trade. Now you can see, no, the price didn't touch the candlestick. Still the price didn't touch the candlestick, so we are not entering into this trade. We are just waiting for the price to completely come and touch this first white color line. So many times it was about to touch this white line, but it failed. So what we are going to do is that we are just going to wait for a clear signal. Here you can see the price was slowly moving and trying to touch and test our moving average line. Now let us see what is going to happen. So the price is slowly coming, and here in this point the price came down, and you can see the price touches our moving average line, and the color of the candlestick is in red color, which indicates that the price is likely to come down. Whenever the price is touching the green color moving average line, you should follow 7-point rule, which means that just from this area and below 7 points you will be entering into the trade, and just above from this area, just above that, you are going to place your stop loss. So this is approximately I am placing your entry and exit point. This is a predetermined entry and exit points. So you can see the price didn't enter into this entry point because the color of the candlestick changes. It is not showing in a red color, so you are not entering into this trade. So you are going to wait for a clear signal. Here you can see still, and here this is the area where you would have entered into the trade. And if you are entering in the trade based upon this first white color line, you can call this as a channel or line or whatever you can also call this as a band, whatever it may be. If you are entering by referring to the first white line, then your second white line is going to be a stop loss. So here is going to be a stop loss. Now let's see what's happened after that. Slowly and steadily the price is dropping down, and you can see that the price came down. Always we are saying that you should have the habit of modifying your stop loss according to this white line where you placed your stop loss, which means that you are reducing your risk. So you can see how much you have reduced your risk if you have the plan to run your profit. So now you can see slowly and steadily you should decrease your stop loss. It had provided us considerable profit, so I am going to delete this and we will be waiting for our second chance. Now let's see what happened after that. Still, so the selling is continuing. Here you can re-enter into the market. Always we had informed you, re-entry also should be based upon this white line. You cannot re-enter into the market at somewhere. For example, since the color of the candlestick is in green color, I cannot re-enter at somewhere like 6715. Whenever the price is touching the white line, there you should re-enter into the market. Now let's see, it had also provided us some valuable profit. Now we'll be waiting for another opportunity. Now let's see what happened. Here in this particular point, again the price spiked up and it provided you another entry option. Whenever the price is touching the green line, you should follow the 7-point rule. Here the price has not crossed the 7 point. Now let's see, this will be approximately this might be my entry area where I had marked it. So now let's see, here you would have entered into a zone, and your stop loss is, I had marked this at the bottom. Now let's see what happened after that. Come on, the market just bounced back Here it had provided us a re-entry option. You can see the price tested the white line. If you had missed this area, only you should render in the zone where the price is touching this white line. You should not enter somewhere in this areas. If you had missed this particular zone, you should always enter. These are all simple rules we are explaining it, and as I told you earlier, you should always have the habit of modifying your stop loss according to the second band. This will help you to maximize your profit and minimize your loss. In this particular case, you can see, if you are modifying or running your profit based upon the second white line, hope you would have made a lot of profit in this area. So this has also provided us some very good profit. So Friday market, so many would have been using, so many of our clients, they are using our simple day trading strategy. And you can see that the greatest advantage is that in the first half of the session on Friday market, the market was completely into the downside. But you can see our charting platform has clearly indicated how you should have shifted your gears. So you can see it had clearly indicated that the price is moving up. So this is the remarkable, you can see how you should apply our simple day trading strategy by using our simple charting platform. Here it's everything is clear, and you can see that if you run the profit also the next day, that was on 24th, on Saturday also the price came down. So normally on Saturdays the price will be less volatile, but in recent few weeks we can witness that on Saturdays also the price, there are some volatility, but the price is staying above the green line. We are not bothered about taking any sell entries, because our rules clearly states that whenever the price is staying above this green line, you are going to stay with the trend. So this is the way you should have applied our simple day trading strategy on Friday's market. And if you are still watching our videos, as a viewer, please kindly call us and open a trading account with us and make use of this wonderful charting platform. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.